Your girl, the natural guru, natural guru. Hey y'all, happy Sunday. Right now I am about to go into the beauty supply because I looked at all the hair. I'm gonna do another twist video. I'm sorry for the lighting. I just realized that I might not have enough hair. I might be like a little under the amount of hair I need because now I'm not cutting it in half like I did in my video, and you haven't seen that, I will take it above. But I want to get a pack of the burgundy and a pack of the red. So that's what we're here for. Usually beauty supply is not open on Sundays, and the one I wanted to go to is not open on Sunday. And I really want, that's my favorite beauty supply, y'all, but it's too far. It's not too far, but it's just like, it's first of all, it's closed, but I want to see if they had it, because this week I want to make sure I have my hair done, and I want to make sure I have my nails done. So I'm just trying to work smarter, not harder, get it done throughout the week and not the day before I gotta go somewhere, because that's how I be working, and that's not smart. It's not smart. That's hard. So yeah, we're about to go in here, and yeah, what's the name? So they close at 8. Hey, how are you today?
It's terrible.
Excuse me, sorry. I need to get another brush. Let's see if they got my hair. Cause see. Free tress. Nope. They got free tress, but they don't got it in the color that I need. I'm at beauty supply number 2. It's one that is up the street, but this the one I also go to too. So we about to see if they have what I need. Hey, we might have some. Oh, they have the longer one. They have the free tress and the longer one in red too. Hey y'all, so I just wanted to come on here and tell y'all that I was not successful in finding what I needed to find for my hair. So I'm gonna have to go to the beauty supply that I knew I was gonna have to go to, which is like, it's annoying to go to beauty supplies over here and they not have what I need. It really bothers me. Spiritually, it bothers me. But anywho, that's just what we doing. I went to the store, y'all, to the gas station, right? This is me and Dorian's favorite juices at the moment, and they got them at the gas station for like, but I went to the gas station, got those 2 drinks, and I got these nasty chips. If you gonna try these, don't waste your money. First of all, I was watching Shanice, and she had said something about a bioengineered food ingredient, and I've never seen that before. But for some reason, I just overlooked that part, because I always look at the ingredients because I can't eat dairy or cheese and nothing like that. And then I tasted one, and someone told me to turn it on the bed and just see like what was in it that made it taste so nasty. And I seen that it contained a bioengineered food ingredient. This literally tastes like plastic. Do not buy this, y'all. Please, please don't waste your money. This is one of the nastiest chips I've ever tasted in my life. I have never had a rep snack that was nasty. This trash. Had to say, hey y'all, Welcome to the vlog. Today is Monday and we are at the Beauty Supply like I told y'all we were gonna be at. Don't be walking up behind me. I don't mess with you like that. For real, for real.
We don't share about how Jesus.
Move up.
You don't have it on the right thing.
Look at this, y'all. This is such a cute color.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fucking right. Body rude is unpolite. Don't be in a humble life. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm tryna go good tonight. All in hope she's left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. Ladies is pimps tonight, living inside a dream. Let's lay where the love is like. Eyeball.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day. You too.
Hey y'all. We are in Buckhead at Talkin Tacos right now. It's this new place we seen. We was over here the other day, so we really want to go try it. I'm gonna let y'all see. We had came out early so Dorian can get a haircut, but this where we at. Let's see what they talking about.
Check the bank.
Yeah, I still ain't got paid. I told you they not gonna pay me probably until tomorrow. I can't believe it.
My own mama, on my hood, I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. I'm so deep in my bag, like a grandma with a peppermint. They say, oh, she smell good. That's just cause I'm represent. Sex game goes.
What did you get?
The whole.
He got the Hawk, y'all, and I just got a plain blueberry. I can't eat cheese, so I hope you're enjoying your cheese.
Stupid, stopping like a toothpick. Man, I tell the truth, your opinion is irrelevant. But I know you think I'm fine. Might be too fine to hit it from behind. Reflection in the mirror, don't decline. I can't even lie. I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good.
We at Ulta, y'all. I need to get a couple of things. Actually, I don't need to get a couple of things. I just need to get a couple of things. Not much, probably like 1 or 2.
You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good.
It looks stupid.
No, it don't.
How does it look?
Yeah, it looks fine.
My hood, I look fly, I look good. I know you wish you could. I look fly, I look good.
Take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me. What would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl.
What's up, beautiful people? If you're new here, welcome. Make sure you subscribe, and if you're coming back, what's up, Guru Gang? So happy Saturday. We are dressed and ready to head out. We are about to go pick up Mr. Niles from daycare, and then we're gonna hit a couple of stores. As y'all seen, I was cleaning out the freezer, I cleaned out the fridge part, and I was washing some dishes. I got the dishes in the dishwasher too, so we have a clean slate. We need to take this trash out for me throwing away the food that was in the refrigerator that we had. But yeah, that's what we were supposed to be doing today. We're probably gonna get something to eat, you know, whatever. I don't know. What are we supposed to be eating this week? Some chicken in the crock pot. What else? Huh? With rice, green beans. What's the other meal? He wanted to do meatballs and something else. I don't know. He's coming up with the meal plans. He's cooking it. So I just eat it at this point. But yeah, that is what we got going on for the day, baby. We had to board Niles yesterday because we went to Jay's senior night, and we had to drive all the way to Montgomery. We came back. We got back around 2 in the morning, almost 3 a.m. EST. So right now it's about to be 3 o'clock, and we just about to we got the day started late, but also we didn't get back until, you know, and we had to get ready and all that stuff. So it is 80 degrees outside. It's definitely not fall weather because I have on a skirt. It's 80 degrees. It was hot in Montgomery too, and I just don't understand why it's so hot. It's supposed to be a little cooler, but it's not. So 80 degrees it is. I hope we can get some Starbucks today. Hopefully, maybe, I don't know, but that's what I want. I think I want a matcha, or I got that shaken brown sugar espresso that was really good. So yeah, that's what we got going on for the day, boo. That's what we got going on. I'm gonna take y'all with me, of course. Yeah, let's go.
This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my